let's set up the X3 or X Nano transmitter. Please notice that the X3 has a pretty different user interface compared to previous transmitters like the X Pro or X1T transmitters because of its touch screen. We're going to start by turning the transmitter on. We're going to press and hold the power button until we see the Godox logo on the screen. We're now ready to start our setup. The first step is to set a channel and ID. We're going to do it by swiping down on the screen. Then we press the setting button or tap on it. Then we tap on wireless. And we can now select channels by swiping on the channel area up or down. I'm going to set it to channel 9. And we can also select ID in the same manner, just swiping the screen up or down on the ID section. I'm going to select ID 18. We're going to swipe right twice to return to the main screen. Please remember that the channel number and ID should be the same that you're going to set on your flashes. If you decided not to use ID or some flashes on your setup don't have the ID function, make sure to set it off. The transmitter is ready to send orders to the flash groups, but now we need to decide the orders we want to send and to which groups. The main screen now displays one group, which is group A, which is the current active group. We can add or remove other groups by pressing or tapping on this button that has 3 lines and the plus minus symbol. And we have a list of groups. We can add groups, let's say A, B, and C, and then letter F. But I'm going to leave it as A, B, and C. We swipe right, and the list of groups is now updated with all 3. We can now select a group. We can just tap on it, let's say group B, and this screen now displays all the details about the said group. Group B, which is currently in manual mode, and we can pause or unpause this group. And of course, we can adjust the power setting. If the group is currently in manual mode, we can adjust the power setting going from 1/256, which is the minimum, and tapping on the plus sign will take us all the way to 1/1, which is maximum power. We can also swipe on the screen or tap on the minus. And I'm going to leave group B in manual mode on firing at 1/16. Or we can change the mode to TTL by tapping on the M and adjust the flash exposure compensation by tapping on the plus or minus symbols. I'm going to return this to manual mode. Swiping right once returns us to our main screen. If we want to send zoom orders to our flashes, we need to swipe down, tap on setting, then we're going to swipe up until we find the zoom custom function, tap on it, and we can now select a zoom value for our flashes. Swiping right twice returns us to our main screen. Please notice that this changes the zoom setting on all groups, not only the one that we had selected. We can now test our setup. If we press the tester button, you should see the remote flash firing.